All right, traders, we had a perfect sell signal print today on this volume indicator. And what I'm going to do here for you today's video, guys, is I'm going to show you how to identify the starting point of a trend as we did today on this beautiful sell-off. All right. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to do this with just one simple volume-based color band. All right, so let's get into today's juicy market trading recap. It was another incredible trading session. Folks, something you got to realize about the market environment that we're in right now, okay, is that it's very abnormal, but it's abnormal in a very good way for day traders, right? Look, if you're an active day trader, this is your paradise. This is your dream type of market. Because look, man, this signal here where the volume indicator turned red, this resulted in a potential 300 tick or pip profit in today's market. And folks, this is not a normal move, right? This is an extraordinary plunge due to the very elevated levels of volatility that's in the market right now. And you guys have heard me say this 1,000 times, okay? Volatility is a day trader's best friend. And I want to give a very special shout out to all my noobs, all my new customers who've joined the program recently. I am so glad that you guys are continually crushing it. Rest assured, I receive your feedback, your emails, and your text messages, and I promise you it makes me all warm and fuzzy inside that you guys are crushing it with the software. Now, what I'm going to do for all you guys that are still on the sidelines scratching your balls, or even worse, you're probably using some type of garbage Japanese candlestick charts like this, all right? I'm going to educate you, and I'm going to show you why this volume indicator is a day trader's dream. Okay, and I'm going to show you that by describing to you one of my favorite chart patterns on this volume indicator of all time. It's a 1, 2, 3 pattern, folks. I promise you, you'll be able to master this pattern in a day. Here's what it looks like. All right, 3 legs to this pattern: leg number 1, leg number 2, and leg number 3. You with me? If you can master the concepts behind this simple 3-step pattern, then I'm hoping it can make a difference in your technical analysis literally on day 1. Okay? So let me talk you through the segments of these patterns. It's very easy, folks. All right? Segment number 1, or what I call leg number 1 of this pattern, identifies the direction. Okay? And what that looks like on the chart is a simple volume color band change, as you see here today, when this color band changed from green into red, right? That happened at this exact moment in time right over here. Now, when that happens, we now need to be on high alert because we want to see this pattern play out, and so we got to look for it, right? So here's leg number 1, establishing the downtrend. And then what we want to see is the second leg of the pattern where the market comes back up, comes back up, comes back up, and kablam! Gives us a textbook retracement. What does that look like, folks? Well, I want to see a red reversal bar that prints against a red color band. Okay, great. I'm 2 for 2. And this red reversal bar has to be above the color band. Great. I'm now 3 for 3. Okay? You guys with me? So this is the second leg of the pattern. What I'm just describing right here is leg number 2. All right, stay with me. Let me repeat the pattern, all right? Leg number 1 establishes the downtrend. Leg number 2 establishes the retracement. And what does a potential short signal look like? Well, it comes at the end of the retracement via this red bar. Okay, so as soon as I see this red bar close, boom, I'm going to look to open a potential short trade. I'm going to then look to place my stop loss 1 or 2 ticks above this bar's high. And folks, you can see how the market played out, right? This was our potential short location in the chart, and the market did nothing but take an absolute dump for 300 ticks. Okay. So folks, this is what a high probability sell signal actually looks like right in front of your face. This is how powerful charting software can truly make a difference and an impact in your trading. And folks, this is what your charts can potentially look like with a simple green and red volume indicator. Again, big fat shout out to all you guys out there who were using the vol today and you caught this short signal and you crushed it today. I can't wait to see what this market's gonna do tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.